Realtors don't just open doors. We are a part of each chapter of our client lives. Every move marks a new chapter in your story. Whether it's we're pregnant, the kids moved out, I got the job. And sometimes happiness comes first. Moving to the Florida Keys to live your best life in paradise. Because it's not just a house, it's a start of something beautiful. Welcome to your next chapter.
And that is why it is so important to have a buyer's agent. We don't just guide you through the actual buying process. We help you find that perfect home and that perfect location based on the lifestyle that you are looking for. Hello, my name is Kate Baldwin, and I don't just sell real estate, I do sell that lifestyle. Are you ready to start that new chapter here in the Florida Keys? If so, reach out to me today and let's find you a piece of paradise together.